Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. For today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can find stocks and do trade on stocks in your Etoro account. To do so, just log into your Etoro account onto your Google Chrome browser like I already did, and after logging into your account, right now you'll be on the home default page. If you want to find crypto or any kind of stocks or even coins, you can simply search for it on the search box as well. But if you want to see the number or the most of the options for stocks and crypto, you just simply need to go onto the discover option on the left hand side screen. Simply click on discover and you can see these four options like stocks, crypto and EFTs as well. Here, go on to stocks again, and now you will be able to see all the stocks that you are able to do trade in on Etoro. Here, after clicking on stocks, you can see that it has been transported into a different page of stocks where now I'm able to do trade within the stocks market. From here, you can buy any stock from any company as long as it is available. You can also sell your stock if you already have it in Etoro account. Here you can see it has loaded up and there are different number and types of stocks that you can invest into. This was this video, and that's how you can find stocks in your Etoro. I'm going to show you again. Here you'll be on the home page, but if it is not like this in the screen, then it must be minimized. Simply click on this arrow button. After that, you can see these 5 main options. From here, click on discover, and in discover you will see the option for stocks on the top of the screen. Simply click on the stocks and now you will be able to see or enter the stocks market. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.